Hi everyone, and welcome to a short video about adding objectives into a Canvas course. This is specifically based around Section 2, Criterion 3 down here, which states each module states the learning objectives that will be addressed. So the best place to start with this is probably going to be with the use of a course map. Here is one that I developed as an example. What I've done here is chosen to start with the program goals, the overarching program goals. And you'll notice right away that there are references here. What those reference are the course goals. So specifically how my course goals support the overarching program goals. So we can see here the first course goal is assigned CG1 or course goal 1. The second one I have listed here, I refer to as CG2 and so on. That way, no matter what objective I set, I can always refer back to a course goal. This helps me align everything and gives everything on this course map a purpose, including learning materials, activities, and assessments. Just to hopefully make that a little bit clearer, let's look at a quick example. So here I have identify and label the anatomy associated with a topical outline, which is later on in this document, in diagnostic X-ray images. So course goal 2. If we go down here and take a look at, let's say, module 1, when we first get into our anatomy, I have a module objective that says identify what major organs are typically in each abdominal quadrant. And then we see that identifier here. What this means is this module objective supports the broader objective of course goal 2. If you'd like, you can put this course map into your course or just have it ready to submit if you're ever going to go for a QM review. All right, let's also take a look at the syllabus. You can also place these objectives straight into the syllabus. That is a best practice, and that helps the learner take a look at what's expected of them and gives them a sense of connection as well. Again, we can see the identifiers here. So if I go down to, let's say, Module 3, and we're talking about critiquing x-rays of the spine, we can see that it supports Course Goal 3. If we scroll back up here to Course Goal 3, you can see critique X-ray images for the presence or absence of anatomy, and so on. The syllabus is a great place to put it. An even better place is directly into your Canvas course. Here we can see, and actually let me go to my home page first. I've decided to put my program goals, course goals, and module objectives straight into the Canvas course. To get to them, we can either go through the Start Here link or the Modules link. Either one will take us there. I'll go ahead and choose the Modules link, and we can see it straight away, program goals, course goals, and module objectives. It's the same thing I developed previously, but now it's placed directly in Canvas and is part of the Getting Started module. So they'll have to at least view this page to be able to continue through that module. So let's go back and take a look at how I connect all of these goals and objectives to each individual week and activity or assignment. So let's start at Module 1. Here I've got those summaries, but then I have the course goals and aligning Module 1 objectives. So here again, I've laid out the course goals and then the aligning Module 1 objectives. What I've then done is, for example, week 2, they have their to-do. They need to attend a synchronous session, and I've given them the reason why basically right here. What it does is it's going to support the Module 1 objectives 1 through 7 and 13 specifically. The readings also support these. If we scroll down here, I've given them a PowerPoint. Instead of them thinking it's just another, by them, I mean the learners, instead of them just seeing a PowerPoint and not being too enthused by it, maybe if they look a little further, they can see that this resource does support learning of specific module objectives and can help them succeed in general anatomy terms, quiz, the midterm, and the final exam. Also, by viewing a video, that's another activity, and I try to give them a reason again, saying that this material will help support those overall objectives and therefore help them succeed in the course. Finally, if we go into the graded assignments for this module, we can see that each assignment, quiz, or exam all have the objective, the associated objective, and what it's going to assess associated with it.